Today's verse of the day is Mark 13:33. Be on guard, keep awake, for you do not know when the time will come. What does Mark 13:33 mean? Awake is from the Greek root word agrupaneo, and literally means to stay awake, but figuratively means to be attentive and ready. Although Jesus does say to pay attention to the signs that the end times are coming, he isn't saying that we should spend all our time and effort in determining when that will be. We can't know when he will return. Jesus is warning that there is not time for leisurely faith. Paul says, look carefully then how you walk, not as unwise, but as wise, making the best use of the time, because the days are evil. Like the faithful servants or the bridal party waiting for the groom, we can't treat Jesus' delay as permission to act ungodly. Luke gives more specifics as to why end-time believers should be on guard. In the hardships of the tribulation, many will be weighed down with dissipation and drunkenness and cares of this life. Dissipation is from the Greek root word krepeo, and basically means buzzed from wine. In the horrors of the tribulation, seeking solace in mind-altering chemicals will be a natural response. But that is not an option for Christ followers. Christ followers in the tribulation, and really of all times, also need to value God's plan over whatever earthly comforts are available. Many Christ followers will be martyred. Famine will rack the world. Only those who follow the Antichrist will find it easy to obtain supplies. But the wealth and comforts of those who follow the Antichrist will not last. Jesus also wants his tribulation followers to survive if they can. He exhorts believers to stay awake at all times, praying that they may have strength to escape all these things that are going to take place and to stand before the Son of Man. It will be easier for believers to survive the tribulation if their minds are sharp. Jesus will heal the land at the end of the 7 years of tribulation. Survival is much more important than the momentary blessings of chemical escapism, for example, drug use, or even physical comfort. But even more important than being able to survive the tribulation is being able to stand before Christ with the legacy of unwavering faith. God bless.